Right, new year, 2023, new project, and does this need to work doing to it? That is in a bit of a state, lots of wrong parts on it. Yeah, needs loads doing to it, but well, we like a challenge, don't we? So this has just been delivered today. All I've done is so far is just give it a quick squirt over with some WD-40 just to soak in, so I can start taking bits off, stripping it down. So before that, we'll give a little guided tour and see what the state of it is like. Yeah, it's obviously sat for quite some time. It does turn over, although it doesn't feel like there's a great deal of compression there to me. Not a lot there, I don't think. Yeah, so right, let's get the camera off the stand and we'll go from there. Well, first thing that's glaringly obvious is the headlight. That is obviously completely wrong. No idea what that is. Yeah, doesn't look like that's a Lucas anyway. Switch, although there's actually no wiring loom at all on here. Forks look to be correct. This is 1967 BSA A50. A very nice twin lead and shoe front brake, which I think is actually 1969. I don't think these are 67. Actual chrome, it's quite nice. Probably the best bit about it is the gaiters are in good condition. That's probably about the only thing. And these don't look as if they're bent up or anything. These are a little bit rusty. Right up here, our steering damper is in place. It feels like it's actually doing something. Now, yeah, obviously the wrong bars. And yeah, don't know what this arrangement is here. Some kind of extender. Move the bars forward, because this is the actual bar clamp. Here, these are little extension pieces, which obviously are not standard. Steering lock in there, although there is no key. Tank is in a pretty poor condition. Dents. Actually, this side isn't too bad. It has got the trim on, at least. But there is a whacking great dent there. And that's a couple here. Yeah, it's been through the walls. Original badges. No seat, no side panels. This battery tray doesn't look correct. I think it should just be like a strap thing, so that's been made up by someone. Probably when the side panels went astray. What else we got? A wrong carburettor. That is a Makuni on there, so that's not right. Brake, there's absolutely no brake there at all. I see these are wrong. Exhausts, downpipes look to be correct. Has even still got the strap across there, which goes missing. Side stand, not sure whether that should be that long or not. Not too sure about that. Chain guard, looks pretty good actually, chain guard. And again, rear wheel, made in England, that's probably original. And this is all wrong here. Should be a grab rail as well. Seat is obviously missing. And should be in a bracket for the side panels as well, here somewhere. I think that's all gone. That's the rear mounting point for the side panel. No rear pegs, and the front ones are down here with some rather strange rubbers on them. The mudguard, it's got a huge crack there for some reason. It's a bit unusual. Assume that is correct. Light bracket, but no rear light. One little bit of wiring. It's probably about the only bit of loom that's on here. QD wheel. No speedo. Or speedo drive rather, that's missing. Shocks are wrong. I think they should be shrouded. Well, it's hard to tell because I've got it on the stand. Don't know how much movement there is in the rear suspension. Yeah, again, another incorrect muffler. This is an American, on a Nova, American import. Dry. So obviously hasn't, it's not even a return on there, it looks like. I assume that's a return. Yeah, that's incorrect, I would think. Fuel tap. Yeah, outer case is missing here. That is all a bit loose. And yeah, that's all mangled up. That should be around there somewhere, I think. Yeah, but may well even put electronic ignition on it. Time you bought points, possibly a points plate, cam might be knackered, auto advance is probably seized. Time you done all that, you might as well buy new electronic ignition. Yeah, that's about it really. Oh, front, yeah, obviously front mudguard is missing as well. Yeah, so it's obviously not run for quite some time. And yeah, I don't know what's been going on here. Got some dents in there. Is there a VIN plate? I don't know whether, no VIN plate. Where the frame number should be here, I'd have thought. Oh yeah, might be under there somewhere. Just about make something out. That is supposed to be matching matching numbers. Yeah, so there we have it. The next challenge, and yeah, I think it's going to be quite a lot of work involved. I'll see once we start stripping things down. I will make a list as I go Well, I've started to actually. I have actually got some parts already. I managed to get a. Well, I was waiting for delivery. I managed to get an outer. Speedo mount and binnacle rubber. Yeah, what's the other thing that's missing? Speedo. Yeah, so could be quite interesting. Little project. No, I've got a horn at least. Yeah, quite a lot of work, I would guess. So I think the first job was probably going to be get the engine out and then strip the frame, get the frame powder coated while I'm doing the engine. Probably the best thing to do.